No. You tell them. Say no, no.
No.
All right. Now come down the stairs. So let's go ride in Caden's car.
No.
I don't think he... Lucy, Charlie, no. Back. No. Back. You are such a mess. Okay, you're letting all the cold air out, so come on, we gotta stay outside now. Say bye-bye to the doggies. Say bye-bye, doggies. We're gonna go take a ride in Caden's car. Let's go take a ride in Caden's car. Come on. Alright, hey, Caden, leave it alone. Say all done. You gonna get in Caden's car? Get in Caden's car. No? Whoopsie.